Hello, this is a demo video for Cps406, Introduction to Software Engineering. This is Group 49, and the team members are Binut Alian, Sayed Sahar Kasai, Robin Nash, Winnie Pan, and J. Raylan Pueblo. We designed a program with which there's a club, so team members can join, do register, and do all sorts of stuff. We got a lot of classes, and this is the actual file that we're going to run and see the result in. So for the start, we have Sammy, which is the admin. So he has access to everything. He can see stuff, he can schedule classes, and let's enter. So it requires a password. We're going to say admin123 because this is his password. And there's the main page that we see. So we have a view messages that it's a command in which shows my messages. But since there's nothing to show, it just gives me that inbox is empty. We have a coach list that shows me the number of coaches we got. It's only Ted. Ted's the only one. So let's go ahead and add another coach. And in here, we say the name of the coach. Just go ahead and call Ben. Add Coach Ben. I'm going to say yes, and Ben successfully added to coaches. Perfect. And let's go ahead and see the members list, see how many people are actually in the club. What method would you like to sort the members? 0 is for default attendance, 2 for classes paid, and 3 for unpaid classes. Let's go ahead for default. And we got Dylan, Vanessa, Guy, Joe, Diane, Bob, and Ezra. And these are all the members that we got. These are the numbers of classes they attended, the classes they paid for, and the unpaid classes. Let's go ahead and run the same command, but with another way of sorting them. Number one is for attendance. So Bob and Ezra both have attended 9 classes, which is the most. Then we got Dylan, Vanessa, and the rest. Running the same command with the paid classes. So Bob and Ezra both have paid for all classes. So our number 1, and then we got Dylan, who has paid for 7 classes, 6, 3, 3, 2, are the number of classes that members have paid. Last but not least, the unpaid classes. We got Joe, who attended for 5 classes, but have only paid for 3. So there are 2 unpaid classes. Then we got Dylan, Diane, Vanessa, and the rest who have paid for all the classes. All right, perfect. Not going to remove any member right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and do some other stuff and then show the members list and the way it does later on. For now, I'm gonna just quit and go ahead and add as another member. Let's create a member. I'm gonna go ahead and create a member with my name. Benwood is not registered username. Would you like to register an account with this username? Yes. And enter your password. I'm gonna go ahead and say Benwood1234. Enter your phone number, just 647, and a random phone number. So this is my page. The inbox is empty. There's nothing else to do, and they're registered. There's nothing for me to register for. And pay. Let me just go ahead and pay for something. At this time, you can pay for up to 4 classes. Let's pay for 1 class. It's $10 for 1 class. Okay. Yep. Enter card number. Let's say random thing. Oops, invalid error. All right. Let's go ahead and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. Payment successful. All right. Let me see in Sammy's page what happens. This is the admin's page. So I'm just going to go ahead and see the members list. And what method would you like to see? All right, we see that Benut is registered. There's the phone number, no classes attended, but since he has paid for 1 class, the balance is -1. All right, we're bad people, right? So let's go ahead and remove Benut to see what happens. I'm gonna remove, enter name, it's just something random, error not in the members list. So go ahead and remove member, Benut, yep, Benut removed. Let's see the members list again, and I'm going to go ahead and default. All right, so we can see that Benut has been removed. Perfect. Now that we see that all these stuff work, let's go ahead and schedule the class. Schedule, enter the name of the coach of the class. Let's say some random name, Ray, because Ray isn't a coach. So Ray is not a registered coach. Register a new coach with add coach. Okay, we already did add Ben and we got Ted. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule another class. Name of the coach. Let's go ahead and say Ted. Enter location. I'm going to say Toronto. And the date is some random, April 21st. Class scheduled successfully. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and go to Ted's page. Enter password. Password is coach forever. Yep, now there's this new alert that says class information, location is Toronto, and the coach is Ted. So let's go ahead and see the members. These are the members' data that we got, Dylan, Vanessa, and let's go ahead and log in as Vanessa. So for Vanessa, and there's the password. It's all right. We have see that there's the stuff, and we're going to register for the class. Would you like to register for upcoming class on April 21st? Yep. Perfect. Registration successful. I'm going to go ahead and register as a bunch of other people. So we're going to register as Guy. Oh, sorry. What's going on? And the password's that. I'm going to register. And, all right, perfect. Then who else? Let's go ahead and register as Joe. Right. So we got Joe. The password is. Oops, the password was wrong. Sorry, the L is small. So yeah, perfect. Joe's also here. So we registered for Joe as well, plus for, let's go ahead and register for Diane. So Diane, invalid, oh shit, sorry. And there we go. So we're going to register for Diane too, and there we go. So Diane is registered too, and I think that's it. Like four members are good. Let's go ahead to Sammy and see what happens now. So if I go ahead and see the attendees, people who are going to check the name of members who will attend the upcoming class. So perfect. We got Vanessa, Gajo, and Diane, 4 members that we registered for them. Now, if I quit and go to Ted's page, and page was Coach Forever, the password. There we go. I can send a message, view messages, and take attendance and check attendance. So I'm going to go ahead and send a message. Let's say, don't forget to be early, and then send to all or send to some members. Let's go ahead and send it to all. All right. And let's send another message to Joe. So I'm going to say, Joe, pay your due. And then I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to go to Joe. If I say something random, member not found. All right, perfect. So done. We're good. I'm going to quit and see if the message actually appeared for him. Oh, yeah. The message is Joe, pay your due, plus don't forget to be early, and please pay your classes attendant as soon as possible. Perfect. And also, we got the class information for Ted's class. And in here, let's go ahead and log in as Ezra. The username is Ezra, and the password is this. Yep. It says, don't forget to be early. That's the message that Ted sent to everyone, but there's no message for Joe because it's Ezra's page. And also, we got the classes. So I'm going to quit and go ahead to Ted's class again. Password is Coach Forever. And then in here, I'm going to take attendance. So to see what members have attended actually. Vanessa, yep, she's there. Guy, yep. Joe, he hasn't paid. So let's go ahead and say no for Joe. And Diane, yes. There we go. And if I want to check the attendance, we see that, yep, Vanessa, Guy, and Diane have all attended the class except Joe, which has not. And I'm going to go to Sammy's page again for everything else. So we saw the view messages, coach list, add coach, member list. We remove the member, we saw the schedule, we add the schedule, and the income statement is basically the amount of stuff that we pay. So that's the amount of stuff that like we gathered so far. And the attendees is the number of people who are going to attend. That's it. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a wonderful day and goodbye.